The FSSAI and HACCP certifications are crucial for our approval process.
Understood. We guarantee full traceability.
Our quality inspection process covers everything from visual checks for contamination to detailed lab analysis for purity and moisture content.
The standard receiving procedure begins with verifying the supplier's certificate of analysis, checking batch numbers and expiry dates.
Maintaining strict temperature controls and adhering to FIFO and FEFO practices is critical. Our facility
We ensure all colorants comply with FSAI and FDA regulations before precise.
First, we verify calibration against the approved formulation. We carefully weigh the ingredients, ensuring printers. This ensures strict version control. We check the master formula, paying close attention to allergen content.
Pre-use inspection and line clearance complete, Supervisor.
Looks good. Approved for production.
After verifying the weight, the dry ingredients are carefully loaded through the sieve while the dust extraction runs.
We confirm the correct volume per the recipe and validate the water temperature. The automated system controls. The granulated sugar is added slowly into the vortex of warm water. The mixing speed is critical. We maintain consistent stirring at 150 RPM. If the agitator slows, solids can stacking. Monitoring temperature involves frequent checks. We aim for a steady increase towards the 80 to 90 degree target.
We initiated mechanical controls first, then added the approved anti-foaming agent when the foam persisted.
Acceptable levels achieved? Make sure it's documented.
We carefully control the evaporation rate, monitoring time, and temperature. The goal is to reach the target brick
standards. First, we visually inspect for transparency and impurities under bright light. If needed, we perform skimming or
We verify the final temperature using a calibrated probe, cross-check the bricks reading, document the results on
The procedure requires verifying the final temperature and solids content. Once confirmed, the operator signs off.
and it evaporates. We ensure controlled addition at the specified temperature, followed by thorough mixing to achieve uniform color.
We use both infrared and probe thermometers to confirm the mass is between 180 and 100.
We start with thorough sanitation and inspection of all mechanical components. Next, we adjust
The consistency is perfect now, operator. We can maintain this speed.
Roger that. Transferring the batch. The mass has reached optimal temperature and moisture. Note the pearlescent shine. We are ready for the rope former. We ensure uniform texture, pliability, and the correct temperature suitable for extrusion.
The laser gauge confirms the diameter is within the 0.5 millimeter tolerance after the adjustment. We document the readings here.
Visual and tactile inspection ensures uniformity, surface smoothness, and the absence of air pockets or defects. We also document the quality checks.
After verifying temperature and airflow on the HMI, we load the candy, ensuring even spacing.
Visual and tactile inspection ensures uniformity, surface smoothness, and the absence of air pockets or defects. We also document the quality checks.
We evaluate the texture visually and with the analyzer. Results are documented and verified before the batch proceeds to packaging.
We conduct a visual inspection against the golden sample. If any deformation or uneven edges are found,
The weights are logged for batch 74B, right within the acceptable tolerance.
Looks good, verified.
To ensure compliance, immediately segregate non-conforming candies into the color-coded rejected bins.
We must verify bin cleanliness and the label details, including batch and quantity. During transfer,
we utilize synchronized dispensing mechanisms with inline verification of fill weight and pouch type.
First, we verify the calibration parameters: temperature, pressure, and sealing time. We ensure correct alignment.
We conduct visual inspections and manual pull tests on samples every hour. If a leak is detected during vacuum,
The procedure begins with verifying the correct label type and batch number against regulatory requirements. We then document the application for full traceability.
After calibration, the printer applies them and names the date codes, which are instantly verified. If a misprint occurs, it's reject bring. First, we pull a statistically significant sample. We check for seal integrity, label accuracy, and the
Ensure the carton is intact before loading. The automated sealer provides a secure closure. We inspect the seal.
First, verify the pallet's condition and weight limits. Always maintain a stable base using an interlocking pattern and scan each batch. First, verify the contents and batch IDs. Then, apply the stretch film from the base, ensuring stability.
We start with order verification, checking the FFO dates. Next, ensure safe handling while scanning the
Actions. First, verify the load plan and inspect the vehicle's condition. Ensure proper weight distribution as you load.
Let's verify the manifest. There's a temp alert on batch 789.
It's stabilized in transit. I logged the contingency.
Okay, cleared. Quantity confirmed.
After verifying the order and batch quantity, the candy is loaded into a temperature-controlled vehicle. We ensure.
Remember to check the expiration date and place new items behind the older stock to ensure proper rotation.
This seal looks completely intact, no signs of tampering.
And look, the food safety certification is clearly visible right here.
From clear allergen and expiry details to our traceability QR code, we ensure safety at every stage. Thank you for your feedback.